Just picked this up from the Snap-on guy. Soldering iron. I was like, well, I might need one of those in case there's no power. And it's yeah, whatever, 75 to 25 watts. Let's see if there's a part number on it. There it is. YAKS41 HV. That means high visibility. I won't lose it. So you just fill it with butane right there, like a lighter, and click it up. See, it already started to glow. And set it down. Let's see how hot it gets. See if I can get a focus on that. I got a glare. 400. Already up to 400. That's pretty good. Well, the tip's 160. I think those glowing dots are 400. It's getting hot. That's hot enough to melt solder. It's like instant heat. And it comes with a blowtorch. Let's see. There's the holder for it. Oh, the blowtorch fell out. That's like for heat shrink. You just put it on there. Came with an extra tip. And a little sponge, magnetic. Just sticks there. That's cool. I like it.